This is the Hockey Kid 989, and this is a accuracy test of my pellet gun shotgun. I have a bag set up right there. That thing and that thing. Not sure what those are. My neighbor gave them to me, so here we go. I'll be shooting at that bag. I have a thing set up about 10 yards. So here we go. I think I hit it, but I'm not sure. So let me see. Doesn't look like I hit it, but those are shaking. There's a dent right there. Here. There's a dent right there. Right there. I shot that. Nailed that a couple times. And as you can see, I nailed the box.